Good morning, children. Second language Hindi. Now we are going to teach Maukhik. It means oral, and the Dohe means great poetess 2 points, and then सांप और चींटियां चित्रकथा. It means about the snake and the ants story, along with the pictures. So here you can find the snake and the ant. So what is the connection between these two animals? Okay, so first we see the poem. He is a very great poet in Hindi, old poet. How that Vamana, Bammer Potana, Nannaya, Tikkana in Telugu, like that. साधु ऐसा चाहिए जैसा सूप चुभाए, सार सार को गही रहे, सोता दे उड़ाए. So how that scholar should be, he should gather all the correct information, and whatever information he is gathering, that information, if it is useful to him, that should be left with him. Other things should be thrown out. That is the meaning. Next we go with another one about the Tulsidas. Tulsidas also a great poet. He wrote Ramcharitmanas. It means about the Ramayana. And here he says that he is a very great devotee of Rama. तुलसी मीठे वचन ते सुख उपजत चहु ओर, बसीकरण एक मंत्र है परिहरू वचन कठोर. He says that मीठे वचन ते सुख उपजतु चहु ओर. If you speak very polite, sweet words, and everywhere we can find the happiness, and that becomes as the attraction, vasikaran. It means everyone will be in your control, and then you have to leave a harsh words, hard words which hurts others. So always be very polite with others, then everyone will be with in your control. Now we go with the सांप और चींटियां story. So here you can see in the picture a snake, and the other picture the hole of a ant's bill. What we say that the hole. It's an ant's house, and nothing but the snake house also hole only. So that's why here this snake is very proud, and it is trying to, without building its own house, it's trying to go inside this house because it's very lazy. And next here regarding these two are this story, Telugu one poem is there in that Sumati Satkam. బలవంతుడు నాకేమని పలువురతో నిగ్రహించి పలుకుటమేల, బలవంతమైన సర్పము ఎలిచీమల చేత చిక్కి చావదే సుమతి. సో సర్పం చాలా బలంగా ఉంటుంది, అంటే పాము బలమైంది. అలాంటిది పాము చీమల దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి గర్వాన్ని ప్రదర్శించింది. నువ్వేమిటి, నేను పుట్టి చంపేయగలను అని. అందుకు నీ పుట్టలోకి నేను వెళ్తాను అని పాము అంది. దానికి చీమలన్నింటికి కోపం వచ్చి అన్ని చీమలు కలిసి బతుకున్న పాముని కరిచేసరికి అన్ని ఒక్కసారిగా కరవడంతో పాము చనిపోయిందట. సో బలవంతమైన సర్పము చలి చీమల చేత చిక్కి చావదే సుమతి సత్వంలోది, అందుకని అలా చెప్పాను. So with that story we can go through this. एक घमंडी सांप था. घमंडी, proud, सांप, snake. There was a proud snake. वह चींटियों के बिल में घुसना चाहा. What did it decide? It want to go in this ant's house. Then what happened, you see. चींटियों ने रोकने की कोशिश की. So what the ants done? They tried to stop ant. But what happened? सांप ने चींटियों पर हमला किया. हमला करना मतलब तिरगबड्डम. सांप ने चींटियों पर हमला किया. Again, it started fighting with these ants. It means it wants to go into that. सभी चींटियों ने सांप को काटकर मार डाला. Then these ants got angry and all together they bite this snake and killed the snake. So story you see, एक घमंडी सांप था. वह चींटियों के बिल में घुसना चाहा. चींटियों ने रोकने की कोशिश की. सांप ने चींटियों पर हमला किया. तभी चींटियों ने सांप को काटकर मार डाला. इस तरह चींटियों ने बुद्धिमानी से शक्तिशाली शत्रु को मार डाला. So like this, they have used their cleverness and they killed the powerful enemy. The snake is very powerful enemy to these ants. So these all the ants, they killed the powerful enemy. So that is the story of a snake and the ants. Here we have some questions, general questions that you have to answer. आपके पिताजी क्या करते हैं? क्या काम करते हैं? What's your father? It means my father is a doctor, my father is a engineer, my father is a businessman. Whatever you want to write, that should be written in this blank. मेरे पिताजी, my father, व्यापारी हैं, businessman. मेरे पिताजी डॉक्टर हैं. My father is a doctor. मेरे पिताजी इंजीनियर. Whatever it may be, you fill in this. आपके चाचाजी क्या करते हैं? What's your uncle? Uncle means father's father is चाचाजी. Mother's, sorry, father's brother is चाचाजी. Mother's brother is मामाजी. That is the difference. तो आपके चाचाजी क्या करते हैं? What's your uncle? You will write here. What is your uncle? He is a software, or the businessman, or the teacher, or the doctor, whatever you want. आपके मामा जी क्या करते हैं? तो mother's brother, what he is doing? That also you will write. आपकी माता जी क्या करती है? So some of the mothers will be working, and some they will be at home. If suppose they are working, then you will write मेरी माता जी डॉक्टर है, मेरी माता जी टीचर है. It means अध्यापिका है. If suppose they are not working, मेरी माता जी गृहिणी है. It means housewife or homemaker. Like that. आपके दादाजी क्या करते हैं? What's your grandfather? तो मेरे दादाजी, whatever work they have done as a farmer, if they suppose they are a farmer, मेरे दादाजी किसान हैं, तो खेती करते हैं. Like that you will be writing. So answer these all. We will go with the first lesson, second lesson, whatever exercises were given. So next class, we will try to, next class or the next Thursday, we will try to give a CT to you all. Until then, thank you.